Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by attaching a script to the object node and defining movement vars, speed, velocity vector 2, and optional acceleration. In physics process, delta read input and set velocity, x and velocity, y based on actions. Use input is action pressed for responsive control. Immediately call move and slide or move and collide so the engine handles collisions. Once done, log values or print velocity to verify direction. This helps confirm movement logic before refining speed or adding friction. Continue by integrating physics. Apply gravity and friction inside physics process and update velocity with acceleration asterisk delta to smooth changes. Use move and slide velocity, which handles collisions and slopes, and supply up direction when needed. Normalize diagonal input so diagonal speed equals straight line speed, then scale by speed. For platform-style behavior, adjust is on floor checks and separate vertical logic. Make sure to clamp max speed and tweak acceleration so motion feels natural. Test with finish by polishing parameters and adding polish like animations that read movement direction. Test frequently on different surfaces and tweak acceleration, friction, and max speed until controls feel tight. Add debug draw or printouts to watch velocity and collision states in real time. This reveals subtle bugs. If movement fails, verify collision layers and masks, confirm the node type supports move and slide, and ensure input actions are defined. One key troubleshooting tip: swap to a minimal scene with only the object and floor to isolate issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.